involved, and you can be a part of that.
A lot of people don't know if they can be a part of Relay. A lot of people think it's just this one group of people who are in it every year, but that's not true. And here's a video showing all the people who are part of it. All these countries are a part of it, and you guys can too. This is a huge effort. Any one of you can be a part of it.
So the theme for this year's theme for Relay for Life is Hula Out Cancer. It will be May 16th. It will also be for 9 hours, so it'll be from 6 o'clock p.m. on May 16th to 3 a.m. on May 17th, and it'll also be out at the high school track.
All right, I'm going to tell you how you can get involved. First of all, you can join a team or make a team. You can go to relayforlife.org. And this could be like in your neighborhood or a group of friends or like your coworkers or something. You can also donate money. If you could start the pill bottles and any loose change that you have, could you help us like raise a little bit of money. And then, like Holly said, it's on May 16th from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. on the high school track.
Us as a committee, we came up with several activities that we planned for Relay for Life. And of the many activities that anyone can come, we have a human foosball game that we have decided to take part in and put on. And with our theme, Hula Out Cancer, we thought it'd be good to have a hula instructor come. And so we tracked down a hula instructor that's actually from Hawaii. It was pretty cool. And we're also going to have a limbo contest. And that's for the people who just come and get involved. And for the teams, one of the many events that we have planned is called Mr. Relay. It's like a male fashion show. They had it the past couple of years, and we just ask you to come out and get involved.
Each team that is involved in Relay has to provide at least one item for the silent auction. And this year so far, all that we have is a summer basket. We have like a barbecue grill and like a couple of summer items. And then Joe McCoy, he and Amanda's made like a quilt made out of Centralia t-shirts. So you guys can come by the silent auction and bid on any of the baskets and help out with the play. Money. A few of the are having such things as a s'mores bar, tropical drinks, fake tattoos, photo booths, lava cakes, and we're going to have so much more than that, so come out and check out the booth.
Okay, so those of you who have participated in the Relay for Life before, you might have been there for the Luminaria ceremony. What it is anybody who has heard the words that you have cancer is celebrated at this moment. And we line the track with these bags, and they are lit up in honor of them. And this year we are going to have a choir singing during the ceremony. And we are also going to have elementary students and angel wings walking counterclockwise around the track. And it's going to be a silent track lap. And if you would like one, they are $5 a bag. You can decorate it however you would like. And you can talk to any of us senior service or Ms. Angel.
I'm going to tell you about what we're hoping to raise this year at the Relay for Life. We're hoping to raise $31,200. So far, the senior service has raised $2,535.46 through the Relay recess that was back in November. We also need to remember the ultimate goal, and that is to raise money for cancer research.
Alright guys, as she said, our goal is $30,000, and we really need your help to do this. Okay, so we really need your help to do this, and one way you can do this is by creating a team. We actually have an incentive. The first person to create a team after school today gets a $10 gift card to the mall. So, make a team. And with your help, the American Cancer Society is able to create 400 more birthdays per day. And so, we originally had a competition for which row can raise the most money, but I don't think that's counted right now, so I am going to hand it off to Emily, and she's going to tell you a little bit more.
Thank you guys so much for being here today. I'm Emily Beitler. I'm the American Cancer Society staff partner for your Relay for Life of Centralia. And while they're counting money, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about what Relay for Life does and how you can be involved. If you've ever known anyone who has cancer, if you've ever had a grandpa or a grandma, aunt, uncle, parent, friend, diagnosed with cancer, the American Cancer Society has been able to help them because of your help. Because of Relay for Life, we're able to give treatment, we're able to provide research, we're able to provide patient services. We have Road to Recovery is one of the services that we provide. We drive people to treatments if they have to go out of town and drive them back. We also provide Look Good, Feel Better is for women who are going through treatment and who potentially lose their hair. They also lose their eyelashes, so we can teach them ways to do their makeup so that they feel a little bit better about themselves. And we also teach skincare. We have Man to Man as a program that men who are going through treatment can reach out to another man who has gone through treatment and get some support there. So Relay for Life is a big deal. It's our biggest money maker. It's the biggest way that we're able to further our research. And we would love to have you get involved. Your classmates, your fellow students have done an amazing job planning an amazing relay for you. Right now we're at 23 teams. Last year we had 26 teams. We would love to get 4 more teams. And in case you missed it, because Michaela is much more soft-spoken than I am, I will say it louder. The first person to go home and register a team today will win a $10 gift card to the mall. I get an email automatically when you register, and I will email you right back and let you know you were the lucky winner. So there's some incentive for you to get involved. Today, after you get home from school, are you guys ready? You have the winners? Awesome. Okay. Who likes free stuff?
Hey, go down there. Throw it up here. Tristan, Emily. I want the call. Tristan. Hey, Tristan. You're crippled. Emily. Hey. He wants it. He wants it. Come on. Yep. Go. Danny. Already asked for it. God damn you.